Good morning, folks. John Canode here from Ormond Beach, Florida. Today, the wife and I are taking a trip to Jacksonville to help a lady in need who has some problems with her house that I'm going to take a look at and hopefully take care of. So the whole day is going to be spent pretty much in Jacksonville. But before I go, I've got to clean the truck out for the wife because there's tons of scout hair in it. And she will not like riding with all that hair blowing around. So I'm going to blow it out real quick. And then I got to load up some tools and we'll get out of here. All right, let's get started. Tools. Let's load up and get out of here. All right, folks, so what we got to do is move this stuff out of the way. Because what is wrong? Is the service. The drain is rotted away. We have a choice: go into the wall on this side, underneath the cabinet here, or go in the wall in the living room. The living room is the best choice because there's more room and there's less patch-up work to do if we go in from the other side of the wall. So that's what we're going to do. So let's measure from the wall to the pipe. So we get an idea where it's at. 20 inches. Plus 4, 17 to 20. All right. And there is the pipe. Very cool. All right. What's this pipe here? electric. So I think this used to be a plumbing. The copper's been replaced and run to the attic. So now I'm gonna move this pipe out of the way. Okay. Alright, cut that water pipe, old water pipe out of the way. Ha!
What happened?
Found me a free tool.
In the wall?
Yeah.
Oh, plumbing? Oh, wow.
Somebody dropped it a long time ago and
Wow.
never picked it up.
That's fun. There's a chance of-
Everybody gets those. Red pipe. Don't see that very often.
Something you don't see very often, folks. Lead pipe. It's pretty clear too, so that's good shape. Good. All right, so we're gonna go to the hardware store, buy some PVC, buy a rubber coupling, and clamp the new PVC pipe and run it through the wall, connect it to the sink. That's what we're doing. All right, we got our material list. Let's go shopping. Let's get on back to the house and get the job done. So now we want to see how long of a piece we want to stub out from the wall. Pipe dope on there. This ensures that you won't have any leaks most of the time. I'm gonna put a little bit on the seat. Make sure you don't cross-thread it. There we go. All right. So basically, you just need to come out about 3-4 inches. Okay, that's easy peasy. Easy peasy, easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. It's warm in this house, gotta tell you. It's hard for a big guy like me. I'm not that big, but it's hard to get down in here and on your knees. Oh shit. Let's see here. This cleaner's got purple dye in it, so that inspectors can see that you use cleaner on the pipe. And this shit stains everything. That's why you see plumbers with purple hands all the time. Purple fingers. Get high off this crap too. This glue. Whew. All right, let's put a little glue on the pipe. Glue on the elbow. And twist that baby in there. There we go. That's good. That's good. Kind of hold it in place because it'll push itself out. So it looks like we need to spin that down a little bit. Let me go on the other side of the wall and fix that real quick. All right. Come on. Put this on here like so. Put this on here like so. Put a little pipe dope on these threads. And put it on here. Okay.
Hold on tight.
Now, ready for the leak test. Okay. No leaks here. Let's go on the inside, see if there's any leaks over there.
What is the stuff in the blue? No, those are coffee bottles. You can have them like this. Yeah. Our refrigerator's pretty low. Yeah, I want to get rid of this bottle. Throw white? Yeah. They were pretty.
I think we got it, folks. Okay, I'm ready for the drywall repair. All right, so what we've done, put the pipe together, tested it for leaks, and there's no leak, but the stupid thing's not draining still. So I just went up and got a snake, and we're gonna snake it. Keep going. Let's see what we got here.
Say no rust.
Nasty. Okay. I want to check the other side, make sure nothing came loose. That would be bad. Check the other side real quick. Right back. Woo. No luck, folks. She's gonna have to get a better plumber than me.